traders, hello Kryptonians. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about four crypto apps that you can use to trade your crypto, your assets, your long-term investments in crypto. So number one, we'll be looking at is Bybit. So I'm currently on Bybit. So you can see Bybit. So there are different tools in Bybit. So I can explain each of them, but I will not explain all of them. So if you look, the most important reason why I use Bybit as one of my top one exchange for trading crypto is because of their fastness in receiving tokens, and also they have also upgraded their youth they have also upgraded their apps and every other thing. So we are going to look at some one or two things in the app, and then we go to another app. So we'll be talking about the different things, the different tools they use in their app. So number one, we are going to talk on the so first of all, we click on more. We click on this icon here, and we click on it. In this more, we see a lot of tools here. We see P2P. You can do your P2P in Bybit exchange, and also you can buy crypto, you can buy fiat depot, you can deposit, you can convert your coin to another coin, you can trading bot is also here. This is the main reason why I love this app. Trading bot is here also. Trading bot is here. Copy trading is here also. You can copy trade, you can copy other professional traders here, and also trade your crypto asset. And if you notice in Bybit app, we there is a recent update there about TradeFi, the new features that Bybit just added in the Bybit app, TradeFi app. So let's click on TradeFi app. So in this TradeFi app is another trading platform in Bybit that you can trade your stocks. You can trade your stocks, you can trade your metal indices and forex, even commodities. You can trade all of them. So we went so a lot of things, there are different things, even airdrop. You can participate in airdrop on Bybit. So there is a lot of things I need to talk about on Bybit here, but I can't talk it here. So let's move over to the next exchange, which is another exchange we'll be talking about is Mercy Exchange. Mercy Exchange. The most important thing I love about this exchange is because of the new coin they list in this exchange, and also the second thing I love about this app is because of their leverage. Their leverage is very nice, and also I love the most important thing I love about this app is because of the new coin they list here every day. Mercy Exchange list coin. So how can you find this coin? If you click on this place, click on this new here. If you click on this new here, this new icon here, you press on it, you see the new coin. Look at the new coin they are about to list so far, and you can see different coin here that they are going to list. So let's move over to another reason why I love this exchange. So number two is leverage. Their leverage is so beautiful. So if you go on search, if you go on search and say, let me just use one coin as an example. If you go to ton, if you go to ton coin, sorry, ton coin, you click on it, ton coin perpetual, that's future trading. Let's move over to their leverage. You will see they have a nice leverage. If you look at their leverage in trading here, if you look at their leverage here, if you look at their leverage around here, you can see that if you want to see their leverage, just click on this icon here. So it is their leverage. So if you look at their leverage, you can see that their maximum leverage is 200x. Even other exchange didn't have this margin here, this huge amount of leverage in their own exchange. No, it's only Mercy that I understand that their leverage is so high compared to other exchanges. So we not waste time. Let's move over to another exchange that is verified, and also where you can trade your crypto and and your different assets. Okay, another platform where you can trade your assets is Bitget Exchange. The only thing I love about this Bitget Exchange, number one, I won't lie to you, is because of their fast in receiving tokens and though fast in everything called trading. And the one thing I love about them is their spot trading and also their future trading and their volume, their gains, and even their losing. So look at this new here. You can in this exchange you can find unlisted coin yet, and they will specify the day and the hour that the coin will be listed on their exchange. So this is why I love all these three exchanges I use. I know that if you use these exchanges, you cannot lose your there will not be any story in your token and also in your coin. Thank you. Shalom.